Let me show you how to add your channel point redemptions or your Twitch chat into your OBS. Okay, first thing you want to do is head over to Twitch and you are going to go to your creator dashboard. You will see this is what my Twitch dashboard looks like, and I have my chat over here. So what you're going to want to do is click these 4 dots and you're going to say pop out. As you will see, that pops out your chat, and what you're going to want to do is copy the URL over here. And once you have copied that, you are going to want to head to OBS. I know this looks a bit trippy, but bear with me. So what you're going to want to do is head over to the top bar here where it says docs. You're going to click that and you're going to say custom browser docs. Okay, then we get this pop out, and what you're going to do is paste that chat URL that we just copied in here. Sometimes it gets a bit weird and you have to back click and paste and not the Control V. And you can name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name it Twitch chat. Okay, once you have done that, you can click apply. Okay, and then you will see that your Twitch chat is now inside your OBS. You can drag it wherever you want it. So if you want it over here, or even you'll see I have my channel point redemptions already on the side. But if you want to have it next to it, or anything like that, you can obviously space it out to how you would like it. But and you can obviously close that box there. And what you can also do with this is you can add them to a tray. So if you bring it like this, and there you go, now you have it in a tray. And if you look at the bottom here, you can see you can swap between your Twitch chat and your channel points or whatever other doc you have. So if you want to add any other docs, for example, I have my channel points here, you do exactly the same thing in your creator dashboard. All you're going to do is, for example, if you want your activity feed, and again, you'll copy that link and paste it inside your OBS, exactly how you did it before. You go to docs, custom browser docs, and you do exactly the same thing. You add the URL over there and you name it and click apply. I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to hit that sub button so that you do not miss more tips and tricks.